Okay? All right, thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor, may I just...
Oh.
May I just...
Well, no, we're not talking right now. Course in session. Thank you.
Oh my god, it's so awkward. This judge needs like a week-long vacation. Every time I see any clip with her in it, she looks so done. At the end too, she was like, thank you all for your professionalism. You know, it was really, I was like, wow, she's really polite. I like her, I respect her.
Again, do you know whether she was wearing any Amica cream?
Amica? What's Amica? Oh, what's Amica? Do you know what this is referencing, Chris? No. Any Amica cream? And then he just laughs at her. I don't know what it is, but I want to know so bad. Amica? Is it for like, what's that? What's that stuff? When you get like, it's not like a rash, but it's like itchy and it's really, people get it. What's it called? I'm forgetting right now. Yes, eczema. That's exactly the word I was looking for. Maybe she's talking about eczema cream? I don't know. Amica? What's Amica cream? Somebody let me know. I missed this. I like tuned in like halfway through because everyone was talking about it and I wanted to be included in the conversation. So that's why I started watching it, but like I didn't watch a lot. But on the weekend, I was watching clips and I watched Johnny Depp like talk about how he got into acting and how he like created the character of Jack Sparrow. If you haven't watched that, please watch it. I mean, that man's a genius, okay? And like he was explaining it, his inspiration for the character of Jack Sparrow, and I was like, that makes so much sense and I completely understand why everyone loves that character so much. It was pretty cool. If it wasn't like a terrible court case, it was pretty cool.
What, if any, discovery? Is that true or false?
Objection, Your Honor, leading.
Your Honor, she absolutely did that.
It's leading. It's leading question though. I'll sustain the objection as to leading.
I love Camille. She's so funny.
Maybe
Objection, Your Honor, lack of foundation.
All right, I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
And the ENT specialist relating to your nose.
Objection, leading.
Sustain.
What, I said, what, if
Foundation,
anything, Your Honor?
hearsay.
Oh my gosh, Camille was there, she was ready, and you know what? The judge had to keep telling Amber Heard's lawyers to use their microphone when they were talking because she couldn't hear them. I'll tell you one thing, Camille never forgot, okay? That girl was heard every time she had an objection, no worries. Objection, hearsay, I like when she lists them too. Hearsay, lack of foundation, relevance. Relevance is the best because it just feels like a roast. And I know it's like a, you know, important legal term or whatever, but I think it's just funny.
I just, in my head, instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
I love these. I love that they have a bunch of different court cameras so we can get everyone's reaction. But yeah, like, I mean, just make their job a little harder. With it, like an unfounded claim too. You know what I mean? You can't just, a rumor doesn't mean anything. It's not justification either. A rumor? No. Also, if you really thought that rumor was true, I'm just wondering why you married him.
I'm not judging.
I'm just wondering. It's just a question I have. So I don't think she thought the rumor was true is my point. Because it wasn't, as we heard Kate Moss testify under oath. Also, can we talk about, just for 1 second, like Kate Moss on Zoom testifying in court still looks beautiful, obviously. Jeez Louise, to be Kate Moss for a day.
And so this gets you your 15 minutes of fame, doesn't
Objection.
I'm not seeking any 15 minutes.
I remember
here.
this.
So you're welcome to speculate. I could say the same thing by taking Amber Heard as a client for you.
Yeah, and then she goes a little argumentative, don't you think? I'm like, what the f did you just say to him then? Isn't that a little argumentative? Elaine? I think her name's Elaine. And the only reason I know that is because I have a very good friend named Elaine, so. It could be not her name at all, which would be so funny, but I think it's Elaine. And then they said that was her argument for like another witness or two as well.
You know that there was cameras here and you're just trying to get your 15 minutes. Like, why did she say that to everybody?
I don't know what to say.
Don't say anything.
I'm like, lady, nobody's trying to get their 15 minutes of fame from court. I don't think that's how that works. Also, this guy already worked for TMZ. Well, it's not cool, but like, you know, that's like up there. TMZ? Everyone knows TMZ.
I'm only going to ask her about text messages on the
Oh my god, she's really diving into those texts. Man, like, there was just so much. I feel like the lawyers, I can't tell if they, like, this is just the court attitude, you know, they're doing their thing, they're fighting their case, they're standing their ground, or if they really didn't like each other, because I got energy from both sides that they were just frustrated at each other. But I guess it's like, you know, when one other side's doing a good job, get a little angry.
And you can't sit with us.
Do you recall? I'm trying. What?
Imagine hearing your lawyer say that in the middle of court. Like, I would be like, what? Ma'am, please. I'm paying you so much money right now. Please.
You have to believe in yourself.
Please do better than I'm trying. I'm like, I would hope you are, lady. Oh my god. Oh, I would cry. At that point, I'd be like, I've lost.
Correct?
You need to put your microphone on, miss. Thank you.
Objection, Your Honor. Improper impeachment. If she's going to ask her question, then she has to show.
That like little giggle, but nobody else is laughing, made me cringe. The judge is like, I don't know how many times I have to tell you that you need your microphone on. Also, the guy beside Johnny always has like the most disappointed facial expression I've ever seen in my life. I doubt that he's like trying to, but he just always looks like, what am I doing here?
It's her statement.
This is not her statement.
She just testified, Your Honor, that it's her statement.
The zoom-ins on everyone's faces. The lawyer beside Johnny, again, he was like, yeah, what the hell? And Camille just looks done. She's over it. She wants to go home, back to LA. They're from LA, right? Did everyone, also I'm just taking this in because the trial was held in like Virginia or something like that. So all these people just had to stay in Virginia for like a month and a half? Because that was a long trial. Well, I guess they probably flew back on the weekends and stuff. Maybe that's why they had 3 days off. I don't know. I don't know anything about court, so.
Never been.
Have to find about this article. Let's try this again.
Man, it's so cringy because like also I'm pretty sure this is closing arguments too. Oh man, and you really want to be like impactful. You want to leave an impression.
But nothing worked out as planned.
And just technical difficulties. It's not even his fault, you know? That's not even bad lawyering. It's just technical difficulties.
You didn't know what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Dr. Kipper told me he sustained an injury on one of his fingers.
Objection, hearsay.
You asked the question.
Oh.
It's so awkward. I know, it's so awkward. I know this is the clip that is like really gone viral, but like they can object to the answer. It's just weird. It makes you look like you don't know what you're doing. I don't know. I'm trying to think of like a positive way to spin it, but there just is no way. It's just awkward and uncomfortable. It's just the judge's response of like pure confusion. I'm like, you asked the question, man. I don't know. Oh, guys, that's it. That's all the clips we have for today, I think. I just decided that. That's it. I think we might be getting a verdict tomorrow, you know? No rush to the jury, but we're all waiting. We're all hanging out, waiting. What do you think it's gonna be? Let me know down below in the comments. I'll see you again soon, I'm very sure. Bye. What's up, everybody? It is hot and I'm sweating and I'm still drinking a hot coffee. Hashtag no iced gang. All right, let's do it.